This is a dog. This is a dog. Say it with me. This is a dog. This is a brown dog. This is a brown dog. This dog is happy. This dog is happy. This dog is sad. This dog is sad. This dog is hungry. This dog is hungry. This dog is sleeping. This dog is sleeping. Now let's review what we read. Use the words on the page to answer the questions. Read this. This is a dog. This is a dog. What does it say? Is the dog happy? It says, this dog is sad. Read the page. What color is the dog? Brown. It says this is a brown dog. You're a great reader. Nice reading. Remember the words. This. Say this. Is. Say is. And we learned the word dog. Say dog. D-O-G. Dog. Thanks for reading with me. Let's read again soon.